Okay, so where is it? Oh, where is it? Why so many sections? Aha! There you are, my treasure. Wow, a secret compartment! Hey guys, do you know how it got there?
Guys, it's time to get things on the table in order. Today we're making, drum roll, a big organizer.
Hooray! Let's get started.
Hi guys, today we're in a da-da-da-da rainbow mood. What about you? Give a thumbs up if you're in a good mood today too.
Look out, Susan! Sam, the cardboard master, has come to save the day.
I'm here too, Sammy.
No offense, Sue. I'm just so happy we're making this craft today.
Oh, me too. The number of markers and pencils has significantly increased since the last time we made an organizer.
I'm only half responsible for that, I swear. Psst, wanna see the last organizer we made? Click save the link before it disappears.
This one will be cooler, I promise. We need to glue this part this way. Bend it here to make a small wall, while here we'll have…
Make way! Whoop.
Sammy!
Sorry, did I interrupt you? One moment before I forget. We'll have a spinning section with lots of paints here. Oh, I can only get so excited!
Oh, Sammy, you stole my moment. I wanted to tell the viewers about it.
Oopsie, I didn't mean it. I'm off for a while or the Hurricane Susan will blow me away.
Well, since I'm alone, let's start on my special craft mission. Guys, we are going to make a secret compartment. I made this mechanism with a rubber band for it, but shh, not a word to Sam. It'll be our secret. I wonder what you would keep inside it. We'll hide a part of the mechanism behind the back wall. Shiver me cheddars, here's the main piece. Seems like Sam's spirit possessed me.
Did you call me?
You're just in time. Sammy, things aren't moving without you. Did something happen?
I think you forgot to tell me something, Susan.
I don't understand what you mean. Okay, I give up. I'll tell you everything.
Oh, it's too late. I got it. I have to do everything myself. You should have told me that the axle's not ready yet.
Phew, so it's okay. What a relief.
Here you are, Susan. What would you do without me?
That's a good question. Guys, any ideas? Can you even imagine me and Sam separately? I definitely can't.
Oh, sentiment. Can anyone turn on the light, please? Oh, that's better. It was a bit dark before.
There. Done. Sammy, how many sections do you want to make?
Well, let me count my paints. Green, yellow, blue, red, violet, pink, black, light blue, purple. I'm out of breath.
Look, Sammy, is this enough?
Oh, of course not.
Does he want to store all of the shop here or something? I think something's missing. Right, the side wall.
Here it is, Sue.
Apply some glue to the outer part of the circle and attach it to this piece.
Now it looks like a Ferris wheel.
Right, Sammy, but we need to add more colors.
Sue, take the glue. I've got an idea.
It doesn't look like a crayon, but let's trust Sam.
Right choice. It's all done.
Wow, great job, Sammy. There.
I'm always happy to be praised by you.
This piece is ready. We can move on to the next step of the construction. Guys, I think we'll need lots of sections. I like it when things are in order. That's why every section will have its own color. Glue it carefully right here. Sammy, bring the self-adhesive paper.
Check out my fancy accessory.
Guys, do you think the world is ready for a new fashion icon? Sammy, I definitely follow you on social media. Look, guys, we have almost all the rainbow colors.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain.
But it doesn't seem like it's raining.
Ugh, duh, can't I even dream?
We're making another section for the stationery upon Sam's request. Guys, do you have lots of stationery at home too?
No doubt, Sue, 'cause they're crafting with us.
Let's finish our stand with this transparent wall all around. Press it against the sticky surface. Ta-da! We'll put the stationery of different sizes in here. Okay, it's time to make the shelves on top. This is the front side, and this is how it looks from the other side. We're going to add more sections for crayons here. Carefully apply some glue and attach the section. Here's another piece for the front panel. Whew, I should glue it fast before Sam sees the
Sees what?
that there's no section for copybooks, right? How could we forget that, Sammy?
Holy cannoli, how? I'll take care of it. All right, so here's the cardboard and colored paper. I'm gonna make the best section for copybooks in the world.
Phew, I guess Sammy didn't find out our secret drawer. Shall we continue? Now he'll never find it. It's so well hidden.
Sue, help! What color do I use for the last wall?
Pink, of course.
I knew it, Sue.
Do you guys like pink too?
Give a thumbs up if you do. Let's make a fan club of pink color lovers.
I hope there are many of us. Guys, do you remember what this is? It's a section for copybooks, and we're placing it here. Just a little left. Sammy, where are the drawers?
I'm sure I brought them here. Oh, I'm gonna search in another room. It kinda looks suspicious. No, come on, we're just making an organizer.
In the meantime, I'll finish making my secret compartment. Open the drawer and attach the marker. Then take it out and close the drawer. Insert it carefully into that hole and fix our drawer. Now let's check if the mechanism works. Whoa! Let me hide a small stash here. Somebody hasn't got a clue.
Sue, how come you didn't notice? The drawers are right under the table.
Whoops, my mistake.
Hey, did you start without me? Are you already arranging the markers?
Oh, sorry, I couldn't resist, but we're gonna continue together.
Deal. So is everything ready?
I believe so. Wait, Sammy, how will we open our drawers?
Oh, Sue, I didn't think of that.
I think popsicle sticks would be perfect.
Exactly. Sue, will this do?
Sure. We only need to apply some glue. Be careful when working with hot glue, guys. And attach it right here. Now it's done. So, shall we begin arranging the stationery?
You're too late. I've already started.
What a fidget. I'm gonna catch up with you now, Sammy. Let's put colored pencils here, too. It looks cool. And here come the markers. And some more. Done.
Sue's arranging her treasures and I'll arrange mine. My lovely paper clips.
My sweet copybooks. I've got a whole lot of them. Guys, do you love copybooks the way I love them? Here's a nice place for colored paper. While here…
Wow, it's so spacious. I'll put everything here.
Hey, Sam, we've got plenty of time. I think you're a bit…
I need more space. Where do I put this? Shiver me cheddars. I need more.
Oh, well, I think it's gonna be a while. We'll come back when Sam's a bit less excited. Sammy, you did a great job! Are you happy now?
Oh, yeah, it's even better than a dream.
Quiet. Nobody. Where's my treasure? Huh? That's not possible.
Aha! Gotcha, Susan, gotcha! Are you looking for this?
Yeah, it's not that easy to trick you. What now, Sammy?
Huh, show me how to make a drawer like this. Also, I want ice cream for two.
I think I got off easy. Deal.
How you like our video today, guys? Give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Don't forget to hit the bell button not to miss our new videos.
We're off to get some ice cream. See you soon.
Bye.